Welcome back. This week we are back in Italy, except this time we are on the mainland in the Calabria region. This region is sun-baked, with a dramatic coastline, old-fashioned villages, and rugged mountains as well. Calabria's breathtaking, pristine landscapes make it an ideal destination for lovers of the great outdoors and history alike. It is home to 1.9 million people and is known for its excellent cuisine, delicacies like the Calabrian peppers and unduja, which is spicy sausage, and Cedro, an acclaimed wine. There is something for everyone here. So let's get started. The first area we are going to take a look at today is Amantea, which is blessed with an unusually mild climate. Summer here stretches from as early as April all the way to November, making great use of its 8-mile-long beach. Amantea is a very old town dating back 1,000 years, with its castle, now in ruins, perched atop the hill overlooking the town. Many of its houses have been carved right into the rocks, giving Amantea heaps of character. The town is beautiful, from its lovely street signs to its beautifully painted colorful doors. There are also many great restaurants to enjoy Calabria's fresh cuisine. It is also well connected with Lamezia Terme International Airport, only a 30-minute drive, and also a train station in town taking you all the way to northern Italy if you'd like. From the first apartment, you are only a 10-minute walk to the center of town where all the shopping and restaurants are, and an even shorter walk to the beach. Right away on our first property, you can see some of the outside areas are in need of a little work. Mostly just the garden needing tidied up. Once up the stairs, you can see the apartment has gorgeous views of the sea. And this front porch is a great spot to sit and soak in the view. Inside, there's a nice little kitchen. An area mostly being used as the dining room, but this could be changed into a living room. It has doors out to the patio and a window letting you enjoy the amazing sea views. This room is being used as the living room at the moment, but I would probably change this to a dining room, or you could make it an office. It also has a door leading out to a balcony, which is on the side of the property. You see again, the trees could use a little trimming, but this is a good size outdoor space to enjoy. Back inside, we have the single bedroom and a bathroom with a tub, shower, and the laundry is done here as well. Out the front, we are looking down on the garden. The garden is a good size with lots of potential to do as you wish with it. There are some fruit trees, you could grow some vegetables, and even put a lovely seating area to enjoy company and barbecue as well. This property is for sale for €65,000 or around $74,000. The next area we are going to take a look at today is around an hour drive north to Santa Maria del Cedro, which is often referred to as the Riviera of the Citron for its abundance of a citrus plant or Cedro. This plant is traditionally primarily used in candied form as in fruitcakes and Christmas panettone, but also used in many other ways such as alcohol or perfume. The area's main focus is agriculture and also tourism. It is a seaside resort now, with the original ancient center being 3 kilometers from the sea, and the newer part with hotels and apartments, bars, pastry shops, and shops on the coast. The town also boasts an impressive 5-mile beach with a clear sea inviting you in for a swim or a romantic walk. This property is around a 5-minute drive to the beach or to the coastal part of the town, and only an hour and 50 minutes to Lamezia Terme International Airport as well. Our next property is really stunning and comes with a lot. You step inside to a really good-sized kitchen which has a balcony to the front of the property, allowing you to enjoy your morning coffee or let some fresh air in while cooking. Also downstairs is the living room, which has a door to the back garden. But first we'll head upstairs to the master, which is a good size with a balcony as well to the back of the property. The view from the back is lovely with lush greenery. Also, there is an ensuite with a stand-up shower. Then the other bedroom is nice also with a balcony, but this time to the front of the property, giving you some incredible views to the square and to the sea. This room also has an ensuite bathroom as well, except with a bathtub and shower. Then we step into the garden, and there's also an outside toilet with a laundry built in, and also a room with a small attic space for storage. The garden has a really beautiful patio area with a metal overhang to cover when you would like some shade in the summer. This area is big and perfect for entertaining guests and family. There is also a large garden area with many plants, making this area feel green and relaxing. Now we move back to the front to look at the built-in garage. It has an electric shutter and is 45 meters squared of space, perfect for a workshop or to put a car or just storage. This property is an amazing deal at 95,000 euros or around $109,000. So this next property is in the same town as the first property in Amantea, basically showing you what you can get with some more money. It's on the other side of town, but still only 10 minutes from the center and less to the nearest beach. Our next property is in a standalone building with 3 levels. This apartment is on the 2nd floor. We step inside and first take a look at the 3 bedrooms. The first is just a small room for guests or children with a big window letting in lots of light. The 2nd bedroom was being used as a child's room but could be used as an office or for guests as well. It also has the benefit of a balcony with beautiful side views to the hillsides with a small view to the sea. The master bedroom is a good size also with a beautiful wraparound balcony giving you views surrounding the whole area. An incredible spot to wake up to in the morning to soak in the early sunshine. The bathroom is a good size and nice and bright with a stand-up shower, bidet, and the laundry as well. Next, you head back to the hallway and into the living room. The room has a nicely placed log burner in the corner and also has its own balcony, keeping the room nice and bright. This is the living dining area, which is a good size, but sadly, I don't have any other photos of the kitchen. You can just see it through the doorway in this photo, and it is in working condition. But the best part is that there is another bigger balcony off the dining area with incredible views. This would make an amazing space for entertaining guests or enjoying a meal or just relaxing and reading a book. The apartment does have a storage room as well as a small attic area for longer-term storage items, which is a nice addition. If we step back out front then, round the side to the back of the building, there's a lovely space here to enjoy outside and the amazing sea views. Perfect for barbecuing and getting some sunshine. This property is for sale for €99,000 or around $113,000. Our final property today is in the village of Grisolia, which is very close to Santa Maria del Cedro. It is just a 15-minute drive, meaning many of the same amenities and activities are a similar distance away. Grisolia is a beautiful small village perched on a rocky hilltop with mountains as its backdrop. The old town is worth a visit with its historical beauty, and the heart of Grisolia is a maze of alleys, stairs, arches, with its countless alleys all differing from each other in terms of width and length. For our final property, we will just jump right into the dining room, which has a nice, small balcony. Then comes a lovely living room, also with a balcony, to enjoy. The views are to the surrounding hills and out to the sea. A great spot to step out and enjoy a glass of wine. Next, the kitchen has room for a small breakfast table. The kitchen is a pretty good size with a nice big fridge. Lastly, downstairs there is a bathroom with a tub and a double bedroom. Now we head upstairs to another really nice living/dining room space. The room has high ceilings, making it feel bigger, and it also has stunning views out the windows to the sea. Then there is another bedroom with a big window and great views, and another bathroom as well, this time with a bidet and stand-up shower. This apartment also comes with a couple extras. Outside, there is a small terrace with panoramic sea views. Also comes with a 40 square meter cellar with wood-burning stove, which I don't have any photos of. And finally comes with a 30 meter squared commercial space, seen here with the 2 shutters. Inside is a kitchenette, pantry, and small covered terrace. This could be converted to a flat to rent out or possibly just sold as is. Now this property is for sale for €109,000 or around $125,000. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Stay tuned for more videos on Italy and Europe. If you want to keep watching, take a look at my last 2 videos on Italy here,